one, start, engine!
From there, na-expose kami lalo about the tourism aspect ng pagbumotor. We have these big ideas already, pero hindi namin ito magagawa without the help of the government, like Tourism Promotion Board and Department of Tourism. Mas napalawak namin yung kaalaman, pati sa lahat ng lugar na pupuntahan. And then yung journey namin together with the community, mas na-involve kami, hindi lang basta ride.
And tourism is such a big thing for everyone. Kasi nga, as a rider, we try to go to places na hindi pa namin narating. We eat on restaurants and hotels na nakikita namin ang ganda ng view. And now, because of the program ng Philippine Motorcycle Tourism, lumalawak ang intention, lumalawak ang activities. This campaign is just going to be accepted by any riders nationwide.
Dito talagang yung mga locals na involved kami, yung mga kinakain doon, yung kultura nila. And then ang mahigit dito yung naiiwan naming friendship na forever kaming nagiging family. So anytime na babalik ka sa kanila, mafe-feel mo na part ka ng family ng PNP. Yun yung pinakamagandang experience na naibigay ng itong Philippine Motorcycle Tourism.
Mabuhay ang Pilipinas!